So I'm here at Stater Brothers, and because I just moved in, I have to re-up on almost everything, like condiments, Himalayan pink salt, and all this great stuff, right? But one thing that I find really challenging is that they make it almost nearly impossible to eat healthy if you guys start paying attention to the nutritional label. And since my daughter's staying with me now, she's 18, she's very hard to please. And now I'm one of those parents that I'm just trying to like make life a little bit more comfy for her.
Aww.
But yeah, everything here is either gonna be bad and taste really good, or really healthy and not taste good at all and be a lot more expensive, which is interesting. So look at my cart right here. It's full of contradiction. All right, so this is gonna be for my protein shakes. I went with the pastured raised chickens, not the cage free, because if they're cage free, they're roaming around everywhere just eating random things that are probably not good for the chicken. My daughter, she likes going to the gym, so I got her some of these are not good for her, but she'll be happy to see them, so I'll spike that emotional effect right there. So now they're back with sriracha sauces, yo. So I'm back, sriracha sauce is back. I'm going with the zero sugar yogurts, and I'm going with this specific type of butter here. And like I said, it's full of mixed items, and that's because it's difficult to live a lifestyle where it's all about health. And so I guess you can counter some of the unhealthy stuff with the gym. So this is part of my morning right now. As soon as I wrap it up here, I'm gonna get home, unload, put everything away, and get ready for my Zoom calls today.